Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sort, filter, and search in Microsoft Access. These features are essential for managing large datasets efficiently, allowing you to quickly organize and locate specific information within your database. Let's walk through each of these functions step by step. First, start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin working with the sorting, filtering, and searching tools that Access provides. To get started, open an initial database that contains the records you want to work with. Once your database is open, click on the Home tab located at the top part of your screen. This tab is your main control center for most database operations and houses the tools we'll be using today. From the Home tab, look at the top part of the ribbon and you'll see the Filter option. Before applying a filter, click on a database header to select the column you want to filter, then click on Filter and a filter menu will appear. This menu shows you all the unique values within that column. To filter your database content, simply click on the checkboxes next to the data that you wish to appear and be filtered. Any unchecked items will be hidden from view, allowing you to focus only on the records that matter to you. This is incredibly useful when you need to narrow down large datasets to specific criteria. Now for the sort function, right next to the filter icon, you'll see an ascending and descending option. These buttons allow you to organize your data in a specific order. Click on the ascending option to sort your dataset from lowest to highest, or A to Z, depending on the data type. Click on the descending option to reverse the order, sorting from highest to lowest or Z to A. Your dataset will instantly be presented in the order you've selected, making it much easier to spot trends or locate specific values. Finally, let's cover the search function. Look at the bottom part of your data record and you'll see a search bar. This search bar is a powerful tool that lets you jump right into the index data and locate specific information from the dataset instantly. Simply type in the term you're looking for and Access will navigate directly to the matching record, saving you time scrolling through potentially thousands of entries. And there you have it. You've now learned how to sort, filter, and search in Microsoft Access, giving you powerful control over how you view and interact with your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.